Go over there? Yeah. On the stand there. There it is. Alright, go ahead.
I have to get the crowbar, and there you go. Get the crowbar. Whoa, 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 hold on. We gotta get the crowbar and pull down the there you go. The curb, yeah, I mean it's coming off. Just pry it off. There you go. Yeah, we're off. Just, yeah, there you go. Yeah, we're off. All right, it should be good. Here we go. Up and away. All right, well, we got a couple wires. Get the cutters, side cutters.
They didn't light up the 8 crate with that.
The what? They tied up. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What the freak, man? That's all. That's all. All right. We got the main wires off. What's that? Oh no, that's just the burner. That was the burner. We had to bend it to get it out of the way. So that's fine.
This one here?
Yep, pull it off. Yep, step on it. There you go. It's loose. Should be. Cut the ground. Cut this ground.
Yeah,
That's right. Get the dikes. Dikes are on the ground right there. Red handle. There you go. Or he's got them. No,
There you go.
that's a crowbar.
All right, we're good.
Dikes, red handle. There you go. There you go. Oh, you got it? Okay. Too late now.
I'm slow.
All right. There we go. Should have gotten on top and ridden it down.
Maybe early 2000.
You don't think OSHA would approve?
I don't approve of anything.
There we go.
Yeah, that was kicking in.
Yep, that wind. That's a big bitch.
We got it. They're gonna be able to take these compressors off.
Yeah, we'll have to.
I mean, are they gonna be able to take them off? Just get this bitch.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get them to strap them or something. So, all right, so what do we got here? Yep. So that's all should be there. That should be good.
I was gonna say we probably need to get pieces of metal back on there, but we don't have to because we're all closed off on the supply anyway, so the whole thing's just gonna be a return.
Yep. Yeah, no, it's fine.
I was just looking at that, see what we had to do to kill that. But
No.
no fucking point.
Nope, it's fine. That's why they did that, is because this curb was slightly too high. Is why they did that. So let's make sure we get this curb back down all the way around.
We still got the screws for that. Okay, screws.
I got something right here.
From those?
Yeah.
Grab that drill, start popping them back in.
Well, we gotta wait because it's on springs. It's on springs, and so there's no way we can get it back down until the weight's on it.
That's pretty light.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's on springs.
Yeah, the curb adapter's on springs.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, there's whole thing on front.
Yep. So, all right.